The manufacturing landscape is changing. At the heart of this transformation are industrial robots. These programmable machines are revolutionizing how goods are produced. Industrial robots are reshaping industries from cars to electronics. They are more than just machines. They are sophisticated systems that perform tasks with precision and speed. They handle repetitive tasks, heavy lifting, and intricate operations. This frees up human workers for more complex roles. The impact of industrial robots is undeniable. They increase productivity and efficiency. They improve product quality and consistency. In short, they are making manufacturing smarter and more competitive. As we delve deeper into the world of industrial robots, we'll explore their types, applications, benefits, and challenges. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's automated. Industrial robots come in different shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. These machines have revolutionized the manufacturing industry by enhancing efficiency and precision. Understanding these types is key to grasping their diverse capabilities. Each type of robot is engineered to perform specific functions, making them indispensable in various industrial applications. Let's break down the most common types and explore their unique features and applications. Articulated robots. These are the most common type, resembling a human arm. They have multiple joints, providing flexibility for complex movements. They are used for welding, painting, and assembly. Their versatility makes them suitable for a wide range of tasks, from simple pick-and-place operations to intricate assembly processes. SCARA robots. SCARA stands for Selective Compliance Assembly Robot Arm. These robots excel at fast, precise movements in a vertical plane. They are ideal for tasks like electronics assembly and small parts handling. Their design allows for high-speed operations, making them perfect for industries that require rapid and accurate assembly. Delta robots. These robots are known for their speed and agility. They are suspended from above and used for high-speed picking and placing operations, often in food processing and packaging. Their unique design allows them to handle delicate items with care, ensuring product quality and consistency. Cartesian robots. These robots move along three linear axes, X, Y, and Z. They are used for pick-and-place tasks, material handling, and loading and unloading machines. Their straightforward design makes them easy to program and maintain, making them a popular choice for various industrial applications. Cobots. Short for collaborative robots, cobots are designed to work alongside humans. They are equipped with safety features that allow them to operate safely in close proximity to people. Cobots are transforming the workplace by enabling humans and robots to collaborate on tasks, enhancing productivity and safety. Each type of industrial robot brings unique strengths to the table. Their specialized capabilities allow them to perform tasks with high precision and efficiency, which is crucial in today's competitive manufacturing landscape. This variety enables manufacturers to choose the best fit for their specific needs. By selecting the right type of robot, companies can optimize their production processes, reduce costs, and improve overall product quality. The applications of industrial robots span a wide range of industries. From automotive assembly lines to pharmaceutical laboratories, their impact is felt everywhere. Let's look at some key applications. Welding robots perform precise and consistent welds, improving the quality and strength of products. Material handling. Robots move heavy materials, load and unload machines, and transport goods within factories. This reduces manual labor and improves efficiency. Assembly robots assemble intricate components with precision, ensuring high-quality products. They are used in electronics, automotive, and aerospace industries. Painting robots apply paint consistently and evenly, reducing waste and improving finish quality. Quality inspection. Robots equipped with cameras and sensors inspect products for defects, ensuring high standards are met. These are just a few examples of the many ways industrial robots are transforming manufacturing. Their adaptability and versatility make them valuable assets across diverse sectors. Section 4. The Robot Advantage. Boosting efficiency and quality. The adoption of industrial robots brings numerous benefits to manufacturers, transforming the way production lines operate. These advantages go beyond simply automating tasks. They represent a fundamental shift towards higher efficiency, quality, and safety in the manufacturing process. Increased productivity. Robots work tirelessly without breaks, increasing output and reducing production time significantly. They can perform tasks faster and more efficiently than humans, ensuring that production targets are met consistently. Enhanced precision robots operate with high precision, reducing errors and improving product quality to meet stringent standards. This is crucial in industries with tight tolerances, such as electronics and aerospace, where even minor errors can be costly. Cost savings. Robots reduce labor costs, minimize material waste, and improve energy efficiency, leading to significant cost savings in the long run. By automating repetitive tasks, companies can allocate human resources to more strategic roles, enhancing overall productivity. Safety improvements. Robots handle dangerous tasks, protecting human workers from hazards and reducing workplace injuries. They also promote ergonomic improvements by reducing strain on workers, leading to a healthier workforce. Flexibility. Robots can be reprogrammed and retooled for different tasks, providing flexibility in production lines to adapt to new products and processes. This adaptability is crucial in today's rapidly changing markets where consumer demands and technologies evolve quickly. The advantages of industrial robots are reshaping the manufacturing landscape, driving innovation and efficiency. By embracing these advanced technologies, companies gain a competitive edge in the global marketplace, positioning themselves for future growth and success. Section 5. The integration challenge: costs and workforce skills. While the benefits of industrial robots are clear, their integration into existing manufacturing processes is not without challenges. These challenges primarily revolve around cost and the need for a skilled workforce. High initial investment. The upfront cost of purchasing, installing, and integrating robots can be substantial, especially for small and medium-sized enterprises. Integration complexity. Integrating robots into existing workflows requires careful planning, programming, and potentially significant changes to production layouts. Skilled workforce gap. Operating and maintaining robots requires a skilled workforce with expertise in robotics, programming, and automation. Bridging this skills gap is crucial. Job displacement concerns. The automation of tasks raises concerns about job displacement. However, it also creates opportunities for new roles in robotics engineering, programming, and maintenance. Addressing these challenges requires a multi-pronged approach. Governments and educational institutions play a vital role in fostering a skilled workforce. Companies need to invest in training and reskilling programs. Section 6. The future is automated AI, cobots, and sustainability. As we look ahead, it's clear that automation will play a pivotal role in shaping our world. The future of industrial robots is brimming with exciting possibilities. These machines are not just tools, they are becoming integral partners in the manufacturing process. Advancements in artificial intelligence, the rise of cobots, and a growing emphasis on sustainability are shaping the next generation of automation. These trends are driving innovation and efficiency in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. AI-powered robots. Robots are becoming smarter with AI. They are no longer limited to repetitive tasks but are evolving to handle complex operations. They can analyze data, learn from experience, and make decisions in real time, leading to more autonomous and adaptable systems. This capability allows them to optimize processes and reduce downtime significantly. The rise of cobots. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work safely alongside humans. They are equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms to ensure safety and efficiency. They are becoming increasingly sophisticated and are transforming industries where human-robot interaction is crucial. Cobots are enhancing productivity and allowing human workers to focus on more strategic tasks. Sustainable manufacturing robots are contributing to more sustainable manufacturing practices by reducing waste, optimizing energy consumption, and enabling the use of eco-friendly materials. This shift is not only beneficial for the environment but also for the bottom line of businesses. The Industrial Internet of Things robots are becoming an integral part of the Industrial Internet of Things, connecting with other machines and systems to create smart factories with enhanced efficiency and productivity. This interconnectedness allows for seamless operations and real-time monitoring. The future of manufacturing is a fusion of human ingenuity and robotic precision. This collaboration is paving the way for innovations that were once thought impossible. By embracing these advancements, we can unlock new levels of productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. The journey towards a fully automated and sustainable future is just beginning, and the potential is limitless. Section 7. Join the conversation, the future of manufacturing. The integration of industrial robots into manufacturing is a topic of immense significance. As we've explored, these technological advancements bring both opportunities and challenges. What are your thoughts on the impact of industrial robots on the future of work? How can we best prepare for a future where automation plays an even greater role in our lives? Share your insights and join the conversation. The future of manufacturing is a shared responsibility, and your voice matters. Let's shape the future of industry together.